The National Weather Service in Austin/San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Guadalupe, west central Gonzales and northeastern Wilson until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stockdale, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seguin, Stockdale, Nixon, Pandora, Sutherland Springs, Leesville, and Beebe. Precautionary/preparedness actions: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. & hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size: less than 75 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust: 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.